So look, I know y'all want to make some money right now as a youngin', you feel me, during quarantine. But you feel me? This a way you can make some money, man. I got $9 in my thing right now, and this is legit. I be converting my cash. I have bought a gift card, and it's legit, bro. So all I'm saying is that you can use my code right now and get you some money. You feel me? Um, my code is right here. It's gonna be in the description too. All you have to do is click it, sign up, use the code. You get money, we all get money. So it's lit. And this is a way to make money, like, officially. And this is another for Fetch Reward app right here. Um, you see right here, I have a decent amount. Well, I don't have it anymore because I spent it, but you feel me? I got 30K right there, and that's enough for $30. But yeah, I redeemed $5.25. So yeah, that's what I did with my 30K, and I want to keep growing it. So these two is gonna be in the description down below. And if you want to make money efficiently as a team right now, you feel me? That's all you gotta do. Just do these. Get like your cousins, your brother, your sister, your mother to do all this, and you'll be straight. Use my code, and we can all make money. I earn. He earned. We both earn 5, but he gotta watch more videos to earn 20. So you feel me? We just getting started. So if you want to do it, it's gonna be in the description. Got you. Thanks for watching.